Did you know that fungal infection is one of the commonest of all skin conditions in domestic pets? And pet owners stand a high risk of being infected if not properly treated. So, let's learn the easiest way to treat fungal infection. Hello friends, today I'd like to teach you one simple way to treating fungal infection such as ringworm on your pet without spending much on vet consultation. Ringworm is one of the commonest skin infection on most pets, usually caused by fungus. You may observe red lesion such as this on the affected part of the body. Some other symptoms you may observe include itching, hair loss, thickening and reddening of the skin. You may also observe a crusty or scaly scab on the affected part of the body. So here is Billy. Billy is one of our customers. He visits not too regular anyway. Billy is a very lovely, playful, friendly pet, but can be very squirmy. He's been affected by ringworm on the hind part of his body, though he hates being restricted for any reason. So we had to play with him, pat his head, just to make him relaxed before any grooming activity can be carried out on him. You see, he hates being restricted for any reason. So here we put off the light just to use a UV light to confirm the presence of a fungus on his body. So when you scan your UV light across the affected part of the skin, it will glow or show a bright apple green light color across the affected part. However, note that UV light may not dictate all cases of ringworm. So in most cases you need to consult your vet. So here we are shaving down. We want to shave the affected part so that we can expose the skin for medical treatment. If you find yourself in a situation like this and you are not able to shave, then get the service of your pet groomer who will help you to shave off the affected area so as to avoid giving injury to the pet. So after shaving, Billy is gone to the bathtub where he's going to take his medical shower. So Billy hates the pressure of water directed on him. So we have to put the water in a container first, then use it to wet his coat. Remember that Billy is very squirmy and he likes moving, so we have to be very careful while we shower him, else he will do some sudden jumps and swings like that. So this is F10 germicidal shampoo. F10 germicidal shampoo. It's specifically formulated for treatment of a skin infection. It has some active ingredients that is used for treatment of infections on our pets. We have been using this F10 for a while now, and it has proven its worth. So you apply F10 germicidal shampoo on the affected part of the body. You gently massage and walk down the ladder into the skin. You apply very well on the affected part of the body, and indeed every part of the body. Remember that ringworm spreads as easily as they can. So while you apply the germicidal shampoo on him, be mindful of the fact that most pets, they do licking. They do lick their body while they are wet. So we try to restrain him to avoid him licking its body while the shampoo is yet on him. Just a gentle hold on the scruffle so that he will not lick off the shampoo on his body. So after we apply the shampoo, we give a contact time of between 5 to 15 minutes to enable the active ingredients work well on his skin. While we observe the contact time, we gently try to walk the ladder down the skin with gentle massage. So at the expiration of the contact time, we rinse him off. So we are trying to rinse him off, to rinse the shampoo off his body. We must rinse him very, very well, because you remember they do a lot of leaking. So we must rinse with enough water to make sure there is no remnant of the shampoo on his body. While you are applying water, remember, do not apply water directly to their face. This is one of the things that cats hates most. We'll try to rinse with enough water so that there are no leftover of the shampoo on his body. So we try to wash off our hands before we wash his face. This is to avoid contamination. Remember, never for any reason will you apply water pressure on their face. So Billy is done with the bathtub. Here comes Billy at the grooming table. This is a toweling session and a blow dry. Remember, while blow drying, always reduce the heat. Only apply minimal heat. Do not apply much heat on them so that they will not suffer from heat exhaustion. And be sure the air pressure is equally minimal. Remember, one of the things that scared cat most is noise. So this is a canesten cream. It's an antifungal cream. This is what we use to complement the F10 germicidal shampoo. The combination of these two does wonders. You are rest assured that when you apply this a few number of times, the infection is cleared off your pet. So we apply canesten cream directly on the affected part. Gently walk it down the skin. Remember, while you are doing this, you always need to wear your hand gloves, because fungal diseases or fungal infection, it's transmissible from pet to human. So after you apply this, remember to put a cone on him so that he will not lick the affected area. So with this, we have come to the end of the treatment. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe and share so that others can learn. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever I release awesome videos like this, you will be the first to get notified. Thank you.